So in this video, I'm going to talk about like what is outstanding payment in Meesho. Second thing is why our outstanding payment is in negative without doing anything. Okay, so this is the second problem. Most of the beginners who are using this application like Meesho platform, who are selling their product on Meesho, they are facing these kind of problems, like their total outstanding payment on Meesho are showing in negative. So why is this, and what will be the solution of this problem? So in this video you are going to get your solution of this problem. Okay, so watch till the end. So now I come directly to the point. So first I'm going to talk about what is outstanding payment on Meesho. So basically the means of outstanding payments is simply, it means like how much payment you will get in upcoming weeks or in upcoming days. Okay, so it shows basically like how much payment you will get in this month. Okay, so like whatever your sales is going to be, that amount or that payments show in outstanding payment. Okay, so this is outstanding payment where you can get all the things, all the information about the payment. Okay, come to the second point, why it is in negative. It is a very simple reason. I was also facing this issue when I started selling my product on Meesho application. So I was facing this issue. Then I raised a ticket on Meesho. I wanted to talk to the customer service department of Meesho. Then I raised a ticket for that, and then they provided me the solution, like why it is negative. They told me these things first. So what happened to me, like when I created my account, when someone opens their account on Meesho for selling their products, so the Meesho is giving some kind of credit to the seller to run ads. Okay, I ran ads on my first product, so because of that my ads credit deducted. And now after 1 year, when I started again this business or again the reselling product on my Meesho application, then I tried a lot to run ads, but it is not possible because my total outstanding payment is in minus. And why? And when I asked this to the Meesho again, when I raised a ticket to the Meesho again, then they replied me that you are already used your ads free credit for running your advertisement, so that's why your outstanding payment is showing in negative. So this is the main reason why your outstanding payment is in negative, is showing in negative basically, because you already run your ads, okay, without spending your money, without spending your actual money. You have run your ads because of this free credit which is given by the Meesho. Okay, if you remember this, your outstanding payment is in negative, so because of that you will also not able to run ads of your product on Meesho. Now come to the third point, what is the solution of this problem? It simply means, when I talked to the Meesho service department and when I raised a ticket for that, so they told me that you have to sell the product and like on Meesho without advertisement, and when you will get the payment of your product which is sold to the customer, then we will deduct that payment for recovery of this outstanding payment. Okay, so when your outstanding payment will be recovered completely, then you will get the upcoming payment on your bank account, and along with that you can also run your ads on your product. So this is a solution which is only we have as of now. And one more thing I want to add in this, that I thought that if, I have sold more than 10 products and still my outstanding payment is in negative, which I showed you in my thumbnail also, and also I'm showing on the display of my screen. So I thought that I should close this account and I should start a new account. I thought that, but when I so when I tried to contact the Meesho seller department, then he told me that you have to pay this amount first, then you can close this account, and then you will open the new account and you can sell on that. So we have to pay this amount at any cost. You can't open your new account with the same GST. Okay, because if you are already registered this GST, then Meesho will not allow you to open the new account. There is no way. You have to pay that amount which is an outstanding payment in negative. Okay, so this is only one solution you have, and you have to do this if you want to run this application, or if you want to sell your product on this application. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, and comment me about this regarding to this platform, or regarding to those. If you have any kind of problem, then you can ask me in the comment section of this video.